Astrobiology is an exciting field that explores the possibility of life beyond Earth. As we peer into the vast cosmos, scientists are continuously asking the question, are we alone in the universe? This inquiry forms the backbone of astrobiology, which combines disciplines such as biology, chemistry, astronomy, and geology to study the conditions necessary for life to exist. By understanding the fundamental elements that support life on our own planet, researchers aim to identify similar features elsewhere in the universe. One of the key areas of focus in astrobiology is the search for exoplanets, planets outside our solar system. Advances in telescope technology, particularly with space missions like NASA's Kepler and the Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite, have led to the discovery of thousands of these distant worlds. Scientists are particularly interested in locating exoplanets within the habitable zone, an area around a star where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist. Water is a critical ingredient for life as we know it, making these regions prime targets for exploration. Mars, our planetary neighbor, is another focal point in the quest for extraterrestrial life. With its similarities to Earth, past evidence of liquid water, and intriguing geological features, Mars remains a prime candidate for astrobiological studies. Missions like NASA's Perseverance rover aim to collect samples and analyze the Martian soil for signs of ancient microbial life. Additionally, discoveries of subsurface lakes on Mars have sparked discussions about the potential for current microbial life beneath the planet's surface. Moreover, the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, such as Europa and Enceladus, present promising environments for life. Both moons are believed to have subsurface oceans beneath their icy crusts, creating conditions that could potentially harbor life. Scientists have launched missions like the upcoming Europa Clipper, which will explore the moon's habitability and search for signs of life in its ocean. The study of these moons broadens our understanding of the diverse possibilities for life in our solar system. In summary, the field of astrobiology is at the forefront of one of humanity's most profound questions: is there life beyond Earth? Through the study of exoplanets, Mars, and the icy moons of our solar system, scientists are making significant strides toward answering this question. As we continue to explore the cosmos, the possibility of discovering extraterrestrial life becomes ever more tangible, igniting curiosity and wonder about our place in the universe.